Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented and shared our videos. While water seems like a readily available coolant for your vehicle, it comes with risks. In this guide, we're looking into the potential dangers of using water as a coolant in your vehicle and exploring alternative options. Join us as we uncover the risks, potential damage, and safer coolant alternatives that can better protect your engine and ensure optimal performance. Using water as coolant in your vehicle, risks and alternatives. Can you use water as coolant in your vehicle? Will it cause engine damage? Many vehicle owners have wondered about this alternative to traditional engine coolant, and the answers may surprise you. Let's look at the potential risks and benefits of using water as a coolant in your vehicle's engine. Understanding the implications of this choice is crucial for maintaining the health and longevity of your vehicle, so let's explore this important topic in more detail. The role of coolant in your vehicle. Coolant plays a crucial role in the proper functioning of your vehicle's engine. It serves multiple purposes, including preventing overheating, protecting against corrosion, and aiding in maintaining the ideal operating temperature for the engine. What coolant does? Coolant, also known as antifreeze, serves as a heat transfer fluid that absorbs excess heat from the engine and disperses it through the radiator. This process prevents the engine from reaching extreme temperatures that could lead to damage. Types of coolant. There are different types of coolants available, including traditional ethylene glycol-based coolants and newer propylene glycol-based coolants. Additionally, some coolants come pre-mixed with water, while others require dilution before use. It's essential to choose the right type of coolant recommended by your vehicle's manufacturer to ensure optimal performance and longevity of the cooling system. Can water be used as coolant? Using water as coolant. When it comes to using water as a coolant in your vehicle, it's essential to understand the potential risks and benefits. Water is a natural and easily accessible substance, making it an attractive choice as a coolant for some individuals. It's important to note that water has a high specific heat capacity, meaning it can effectively absorb and dissipate heat. However, it lacks the anti-corrosive and anti-freezing properties that are present in specialized coolant solutions. Potential risks of using water. While water may seem like a convenient and cost-effective option, it comes with its own set of risks. Pure water can lead to corrosion within the cooling system, potentially causing damage to the radiator, water pump, and other components. Additionally, water lacks the additives found in specialized coolant solutions that prevent freezing and boiling. This leaves the cooling system vulnerable to extreme temperatures, which can result in overheating and engine damage. So, while water may offer temporary relief as a coolant, it is not a suitable long-term solution. It's important to weigh the potential risks against the short-term benefits when considering the use of water as a coolant in your vehicle. Effects of water as coolant on engine. Water as a coolant in your vehicle can have several effects on the engine, including corrosion and rust, boiling and freezing points, and heat transfer efficiency. Corrosion and rust. Water in the cooling system can lead to corrosion and rust within the engine. When water comes into contact with various metal components, such as the radiator and engine block, it can cause oxidation and deterioration over time. This can result in damage to the internal parts of the engine and reduce its overall lifespan. Boiling and freezing points. Water has a lower boiling point and higher freezing point compared to traditional coolants. In extreme temperatures, water can boil and evaporate, leading to a loss of coolant and potential overheating of the engine. Conversely, in cold weather, water can freeze and expand, causing damage to the cooling system and potentially cracking engine components. Heat transfer efficiency. While water is effective at transferring heat, it may not be as efficient as specialized coolant blends. Using water alone may lead to diminished heat transfer efficiency, especially during high-stress conditions such as heavy load or high-speed driving. This can result in inadequate cooling of the engine and potential overheating issues. By understanding these effects, you can make an informed decision about using water as a coolant in your vehicle. How to properly maintain your vehicle's cooling system. Regular coolant checks. Regularly checking your vehicle's coolant level is crucial to maintaining a healthy cooling system. Locate the coolant reservoir under the hood and ensure that the level is between the min and max marks. If it's below the min mark, add a 50-50 mix of coolant and water to bring it back up to the recommended level. It's important to check for any signs of leakage or damage to the reservoir that may indicate a larger issue. Flushing and changing coolant. To maintain an efficient cooling system, it's essential to periodically flush and change the coolant. Over time, coolant can become contaminated with rust, scale, and other debris that can impede its ability to regulate engine temperature. Follow your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines for the recommended interval for coolant changes, typically every 2 to 5 years. The process involves draining the old coolant, flushing the system with water to remove any buildup, and refilling with fresh coolant to ensure optimal performance. Proper maintenance of your vehicle's cooling system through regular checks and timely coolant changes will help prevent engine damage and ensure smooth operation, especially during extreme temperatures and heavy usage. Alternatives to water as coolant. When it comes to choosing a coolant for your vehicle, it's important to consider alternatives to water that offer better protection and performance. Here are 2 popular options: antifreeze and coolant mixes. Antifreeze, also known as coolant, is a mixture of ethylene or propylene glycol and water. This mixture helps prevent freezing in cold temperatures and boiling in hot temperatures, while also providing corrosion protection for the engine. Coolant mixes are available in various ratios, such as 50-50 or 70-30, and are specifically designed to maintain the optimal temperature range for your vehicle's engine. Coolant additives. Coolant additives are designed to enhance the performance of antifreeze and coolant mixes. These additives can improve thermal conductivity, prevent corrosion, and extend the overall lifespan of the coolant. Some additives also offer benefits such as reducing engine hotspots, lubricating the water pump, and improving overall heat transfer within the cooling system. By choosing the right antifreeze and coolant mixes or incorporating effective additives, you can ensure that your vehicle's cooling system is well equipped to maintain optimal performance and protect the engine from damage. In conclusion, using water as a coolant in your vehicle may seem like a cost-effective solution, but it can lead to serious engine damage. Water lacks the anti-corrosion and antifreeze properties present in specialized coolants. Over time, the absence of these properties can cause rust and corrosion within the engine, leading to overheating and potential system failure. To ensure the longevity and optimal performance of your vehicle, it is crucial to use a proper coolant recommended by the manufacturer. Taking this proactive step will help you avoid costly repairs and keep your engine running smoothly for the long haul. Thank you for exploring the risks of using water as a coolant in your vehicle and discovering safer alternatives. By understanding these dangers and exploring alternative coolants, you're better prepared to maintain your engine's health. Stay tuned for more valuable automotive insights and maintenance tips. Remember, using the right coolant is crucial for your engine's well-being. Opt for safer alternatives to ensure optimal performance and prevent potential damage. Drive safe and maintain your vehicle's health. Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.